Pivotal is an absolutely awesome company. We transform the way the world builds software. In effect, we're helping customers and companies in the Fortune 500 change the way they work with their customers, the way that their culture and their software development methodologies work. And we are a company that's built on open source software and turning it into turnkey platforms that customers can use. So very well known for our work around Cloud Foundry, around the data ecosystem, and also around Kubernetes. Inherently, there's different patterns for how people build software. There's cases where you've got someone's bringing their own source code, they're bringing their own software, they're building something completely net new. The work that we do with Redis Enterprise to add comprehensive database services to that platform is very important for how they build software. Customers need to think consciously about the architecture rather than products. And so I think the work that we're doing together around how do you create distributed data models? How do you do that in a way that is across multiple data centers, that's bridging the on-premises universe and the cloud universe, and doing it architecturally in a way that works is really important. No one likes a slow database. And so, one of the first things that we see is that when people are building new applications in new ways, they're moving towards cloud-native 12-factor application patterns. Very quickly they realize caching is just an essential part of how you design that application. In many cases, they're fronting traditional relational databases to kind of deal with their technical debt and give them a path forward. vSphere is the dominant, widely loved, widely used horizontal platform inside most enterprises. How they do computing is through kernel mode virtualization, and they use vSphere overwhelmingly. This Kubernetes layer, while it's still in the early days and the first inning of what's going to be an awesome baseball game, it has become the de facto standard for container and cluster orchestration and management, and everybody is aligning around it. If we can make it a platform which is widely loved, widely used, and in the future, those future vSphere customers are all like, we've got the best Kubernetes platform on the market, and it runs our data layer, and it does it in a way that is across clouds and simple and works. And frankly, I'm laser focused on a very small number of ISVs that I think are essential inside that data ecosystem, and Redis Enterprise is certainly one of them.